In this video, I'll guide you through how to link Calendly to Typeform so you can let people book time with you directly from your forms. This is especially useful if you're collecting information first and then want respondents to immediately pick a meeting slot without sending them to a separate page later. Let's start inside your Typeform account. On the form where you want to add scheduling, make sure you're in the editor view of that specific form. On the left-hand side, you'll see your list of questions and content blocks. To add Calendly, you'll begin just like you would when adding any new question or element. Look for the plus icon in the form editor. This is the button you use to insert new fields into your form. Go ahead and click that plus icon. When you do, Typeform will show you a menu of different field types and integrations you can add. From this menu, find and select Calendly. Choosing Calendly tells Typeform that you want to embed a Calendly scheduling experience directly into this part of your form. If you don't see it right away, you may need to scroll through the options or look under any integrations or apps section that appears in the list. Once you select Calendly, Typeform will prompt you to connect your Calendly account. This connection is what allows Typeform to display your actual Calendly event types and availability to your respondents. You'll see a button labeled Authenticate or something very similar. Go ahead and click Authenticate. After you click that button, you'll be redirected to a secure Calendly login or authorization page. Here, you may be asked to sign into Calendly if you're not already logged in. Use your usual Calendly login details and then confirm that you want to allow Typeform to access your Calendly information. This typically includes things like your event types and booking settings, but not any private credentials. Once you approve the connection, Calendly will send you back to Typeform automatically. At this point, your Calendly account is now linked to Typeform. You should see confirmation in the editor, often in the form of your Calendly block showing as connected, or your available event types appearing as options. From here, you can usually choose which specific Calendly event you want to embed in this form. For example, you might pick a 15-minute intro call or a 30-minute consultation. Selecting the right event ensures that when someone reaches this part of your Typeform, they're booking the correct type of meeting with the right duration and settings. Take a moment to position this Calendly block where it makes the most sense in your form's flow. Many people place it at the end after they've collected any necessary details, so the respondent can immediately book a time based on the information they just shared. When you're done setting things up, use the preview function in Typeform to test the experience from your respondent's point of view. Walk through the form until you reach the Calendly section and make sure that available time slots appear as expected and that you can proceed with booking. That's all you need to link Calendly to Typeform. Click the plus icon, select Calendly, hit Authenticate, and complete the connection. Once it's linked, you'll have a smooth, integrated way for people to fill out your form and schedule a meeting in one simple flow.